Narrator, deep voice. There was a time when humans wondered, can we create a machine that truly understands us? Scene 2 AI virtual assistant, Siri, Alexa. Activating. Then came virtual assistants, designed to listen, organize our lives, play music, and follow commands. Scene 3 AI chatbot, ChatGPT Bard, on screen. But soon, a new revolution emerged. Chatbots, not just listening but understanding. They can recognize emotions, craft stories, and hold conversations like never before. Scene 4 split screen, virtual assistant versus chatbot. Who will dominate, a virtual assistant that obeys, or a chatbot that thinks? Scene 5 intense zoom in on AI icons. This isn't just technology, it's the evolution of the human-machine connection. Scene 6 emotional close-up, human looking at AI screen. But one question remains. Does AI truly understand us, or are we becoming prisoners of our own creation? Hashtag AI Showdown, hashtag virtual assistant versus chatbot, hashtag future of AI. This script builds mystery, excitement, and emotional impact, ensuring viewers stay engaged till the end.